The hot weather t-shirt is one of our newest products, and unfortunately I suspect it's a type of garment which will become more common with climate change. The more I've run, the longer I've run over the years, I've become much more conscious about wanting to protect myself from excess sun, and certainly that's becoming more and more the case. So the hot weather t-shirt was designed, that's why it's a t-shirt, not a vest. It was designed to give protection from the sun on the upper part of the garment and be very open and cool on the lower part of the garment. I developed the hot weather tee after last summer running in a very early sample t-shirt we made using the fabric from the Racefest 3.0. We had some very hot weather last summer and I wanted a t-shirt that was just really cool and lightweight. Ran in it and it was quite a revelation. However, I was really conscious that the lightweight mesh wasn't giving me any protection over my shoulders and upper back. And so that really started the thought process that led to the hot weather t-shirt, which is this combination of sun protecting but still thin fabric on the top and a very open mesh on the bottom part of the garment. So there's two types of fabrics on the hot weather t-shirt. There's a very open 3D Italian mesh. This is the same mesh that we use on our race vests. It's incredibly good for evaporative cooling. It transfers the sweat very quickly from the body onto the surface of the fabric. The upper part of the t-shirt is made with a UPF 50 fabric. UPF 50 means that 98% of the sun's rays, UV rays, are cut out. So essentially it gives you total protection. And that's over the shoulder, the upper chest and the upper back, where obviously you have the sun coming down most strongly. So this combination is a good balance of protection versus very open, lightweight, cool. Well, firstly, it's not a vest. And the reason it's not a vest is, again, because of sun protection. If you're running in a vest, the top of your shoulders are very exposed to the sun. So I wanted a garment which would give you the shoulders and your upper arms protection. So that's the first thing. As with all Soar garments, it's cut with a 4-panel body, and this gives you a very good controlled fit around the body. You have extra seams to allow waist suppression to be put in a controlled, precise way. The hot weather t-shirt comes with its own wash bag. The reason for that is if you put it in a mixed wash with some jeans, for instance, with a metal zip, it's possible that they could catch on the mesh and pull it. So with any sort of delicate garments, with our race vest as well, we supply them with a wash bag to protect them. In general, I'm not a fan of overwashing running kit. If you come home and your kit's sweaty, rinse it out in the cold water, allow it to drip dry in the shower, and that way you can leave it longer between machine washing. Over machine washing is bad for the garments, it's bad for the environment, and it's not necessary, frankly. So, as a rule of thumb, I will hand wash, just rinse out in cold water a garment for 3 or 4 times, and then perhaps wash it on the 4th time I've worn it. But if you do wash it, put it in its dedicated wash bag, and it'll be spick and span when it comes out.